Today, I am going to be talking about analyzing accounts receivable. So what is accounts receivable? Accounts receivable is an amount owed by a customer who has purchased the company's product or service. But why do we analyze accounts receivable? Because a receivable is an uncollected sale. The main question that should be asked of a company is how well it collects its receivables. The first analysis method is horizontal analysis. Horizontal analysis is a method of analyzing a company's account balances over time. The formula is current year balance minus prior year balance divided by prior year balance. Let's look at an example. These are Apple's accounts receivable balances for the year ended 30 June 2017 and 30 June 2018. When we place these amounts into the formula, we see that there is a 10% increase. Then we have vertical analysis, which is a method of comparing a company's account balances within 1 year. The formula is account balance divided by total assets. Using Apple's 2018 accounts receivable balance and their total assets of 2018, if we divide Apple's 2018 accounts receivable balance by their total assets, we see a percentage of 6%. This means that Apple's accounts receivable balance is 6% of their total assets. The first ratio we will talk about is the receivables turnover ratio, which indicates how many times during a period a company generates and collects receivables. The formula is credit sales divided by average receivables. For example, Maya had the following figures for the 2018 financial year. When placed into the formula, we see that Maya collects its receivables approximately 10 times each year. We often convert this number into the days in receivables turnover ratio. The formula is 365 divided by the receivables turnover ratio. Therefore, Maya collects its receivables every 35.8 days. The last ratio is the allowance ratio, which finds the percentage of receivables that are expected to be uncollectible in the future. The formula is average for doubtful debts divided by gross receivables. Maya had the following figures for the year 2017. When placed into the formula, we can see that 4% of the receivables are expected to be uncollectible. Thank you for listening.